Maybe even your grandma, dude. Drip your grandma out. Got the icy bottom on there too. Ooh, God. Man, those look good. These are sick. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, I got 5 boxes from our pal, our Dhgate 1, the number 1, Top Sports Market. Make sure you're checking out the Discord. Link's going to be down in the description. Shoot me a message, post what you're looking for. I'm going to be able to send you on your way to not only obtaining what you're after, but saving some money while you're doing it. That's my goal. I want to help you guys save some money while also looking the way that you want. And then if you want to build a collection just like I have, then you can be on your merry way to do that, and I will plug you in along the way. I think I got a little bit of a mixture here. I think there's some Jordans. I think there's a Balenciaga, maybe a Dunk or two. We're just gonna have to find out. Based off the sizes of the boxes, it looks like maybe a few different sizes in there as well. So yeah, drop a like on the video, comment down below, try to push these videos on out there. The channel is at, let me adjust this. The channel is at over 500,000 views now, so that is awesome. And then I think we're at over 1,600 people in the Discord. So lots of people over there, lots of people saving money. So if you've been hesitant, if you haven't joined, what are you waiting for? Come on over, it's a good time. I think I am on the verge of making another Instagram too. So if that's something you want, comment down below. And I'll make one. That way you can message me there too. The Discord thing is actually really, really nice. And the one thing about Discord, it's like I can send links, but it's nice like when I find a link, because chances are if you ask for it, you're not the only person that wants that item or that type or what, you get what I'm saying. So by Discord, I can just post it to that big link section, and then everybody has access to it. And then today, like I said, I'm gonna go through, I think there's a couple of old links every like 4 to 5 weeks or so. I feel like they roll over new listings. The sellers do on Dhgate. They post new listings because the old ones don't tend to show up in the search, only like the new. So it's kind of like a game they have to play. These are freaking wild. Holy smokes. I'm a big fan of like pastel and Easter colors. I wore a lot of Ralph Lauren stuff in high school, and like that has that kind of colorway, but look at that. That is a beautiful shoe. Of course it's a woman's shoe, but you know, get it for your girl, your sister, your mom. Maybe even your grandma, dude. Drip your grandma out. Got the icy bottom on there too. Ooh, God. Man, those look good. These are sick. I have no clue the name of these. I can probably try to find it while I'm editing, but you know, that's neither here nor there. If you know, comment down below. One thing, the box got absolutely mangled, but as you see, the shoe is really good. One thing I get asked a lot is the squeeze test. So I can deadlift about 600 pounds, and I'm squeezing this as hard as I can, and I can't squeeze it. So it's a really, I see my hand just popped. I'm squeezing it so hard. Yeah, this thing is really, really built well. Let me take a quick overview here. Ooh, they got this one purple stitch right there. Just a nice little extra detail. Man, this looks cool. This is a good shoe. Kind of has this special Nike tag here that I've seen. Hopefully it's not getting washed out in the white. Maybe. I will post a short of these too, that way we can see. I kind of need to get to moving on because we got a bunch of shoes. I kind of got hit off guard. Came with a change of army green laces. I don't know if that is correct or not. There's like a basketball in here, like I don't know what these are. I am confusion. This is a Euro 40 gradient blue. There you go. Gradient blue Nike Dunk Seen it here first. Top Sports Market. Super sick. Don't know why it came with army green laces. Well, let's go ahead and get on to the next one. What do you say? Let's grab the scissors here. Most of these boxes, especially these first two, look like they've been through the freaking dishwasher and back, but it is what it is. You can pay extra for them to double box it, and the reason it costs extra is because the package is going to be slightly bigger and it's going to weigh slightly more. So depending on the company, I think it's based off of just net weight. I don't think there's like a 1 to 5 and a 5 to 10. So if it's like a 3, it automatically falls under, like if it gets like forced into a certain category. But I think it's just by net weight. And then if you get like a Balenciaga and it's double boxed, the shoes weigh a lot already. So it's not surprising to see, you know, $50 from like a WhatsApp seller for shipping fee for some Balenciagas. And that's why typically they cost more. Like they already just cost more in general. This looks like the new track runner, probably. I think this is the runner. Yeah, I believe so. Came with this sick Balenciaga drawbag, so you're gonna get all the goodies. That used to just be kind of like a exclusive WhatsApp seller thing, but it seems like the Dhgate sellers have really stepped up like the different little goodies that you get in the bag. Man, this thing is sweet. So if you know me, I'm a big fan of green. I really like Halloween and this like kind of lime green, spooky green color. But check out this thing. That side kind of looks a little bit cleaner. This side looks like it got ran over by a car tire. But that's part of the look. These things are absolutely gigantic. So like, I mean, my hand is pretty decent size, and just look at how much like surface area there is on the sole on these things. Ring ring, hello. Super bright green. To be honest with you though, in terms of Balenciaga, this thing isn't that heavy for how big it is. And honestly, with all of that, 3XL, that's what these are called, it's on the tongue. With all of that surface area, I bet these are actually kind of a pleasure to wear. You might kick the corners of stuff when you first put them on because you're not used to it, but or shout out my buddy James. He was wearing his triple S's one time and fell down some stairs because they're so heavy and clunky. But you know, that's just what you got to be prepared for when you're getting dripped out. That's just what happens. 45 there on the back. If you can see, it has like that distressing. This one has a little bit more, but it's like they just took like a piece of tire rubber and started rubbing it around the shoe. It does say Balenciaga right there. Got this like pancake. That almost looks like it could be the front of the shoe too. But here it is from the front. So it looks really cool from the front, and then as you get to the side, it's like, oh my goodness, this thing's huge. So pretty cool there. Definitely not going to be able to fit all of this, so I'm just going to keep like one of each on the corner and go from there. We're doing the right shoe, so that's this one. All right, so we got 2 down. We got 2 more to go. Let's bust them open. We are hitting the end of July, so a lot of people, you know, it's like back to school time. Whether that's grade school, junior high, high school, or college, and whether you're buying this for yourself or buying this for your kids, they do have all types of kid sizes, so don't feel like you got to go to the mall and spend bukus of bucks because you can get all this stuff for kids too, you know what I mean? Off the rip, this box is very, very cool, and on this end it says Levi's. So if you are a fan of the Jeff Robe channel and you have watched my videos in the past, hang on, let me get the dog out of here so she doesn't eat this plastic. Hey, let's go lay down, okay? then you would know that I've done a Levi Jordan before, but now they're available on Dhgate as well. And these smell really good. The Nike card there, StockX sticker, StockX card. And this time, instead of the denim, I went with the white pair. Man, these are sick. And with the gum bottom. You can't really find many 4s with the gum bottom. And the all white, just kind of gonna go with everything. Got that classic kind of paper tag that comes on the Levi's. It says size 12, AJ4. Man, these are nice. The box says 11 EU45, but the tongue says 12. So they could have taken an internal measurement and just known that these ran a little bit small, or big, I guess you would say. Let's see what the tag on the inside says. The tag on the inside says 11. So maybe the size 12. No, because it's a UK 12. So that is a small defect, but I mean, no one's really gonna know. And I think maybe you could just peel this off or cut it off. Yeah, there you go. So it just peels off like that. It says AJ4. That's really small. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. This one came with the tag, and then it does say Levi Strauss on this end. Red on the bottom to match the red that goes with the Levi's tag, and then you're also gonna have red in the bubble right here. One thing, usually when they make canvas shoes, they peel, but I don't believe these peel. I'll have to do some research, and if they do, I might go ahead and peel them for a video. I didn't keep the other pair, but these are pretty sweet. I might have to keep these. I love me some white 4s. I got my Oreo 4 right here. So got the canvas pair and the leather pair. The canvas pair obviously over time isn't going to hold up very well, especially if you're in dusty, windy cities. It's going to be like a magnet, and there's just really no way. You could try to get like one of those Tide magic marker things to try to clean it up, but I don't know. Man, they even went canvas down over the bubble. It's crazy. It feels really good. It smells good too. Got a little collection going on down here. Where are we at? 12 minutes. Goodness gracious. Let's get on with it. If you're enjoying the video, drop a like. I appreciate you guys. I really like doing this. So the more people that check out my stuff and use my coupon codes and all that good stuff, you know, just ensures that I get to keep doing this, and then that ensures that everyone's gonna keep saving money. I do have I got an eyeglasses company that reached out to me, so I do have a pair of prescription glasses on the way, and I will, of course, make a video of that when they get here. So this box turned out really, really well. Based off of it, I think it is an Alexander McQueen, and that is exactly what it is. So this box looks really, really good. This is a really sturdy box too, and it kind of has this waxy feeling to it almost. This is a EU40. Gonna come with the Alexander McQueen shopping bag as well. Very nice, very sturdy, great for re-gifting stuff and whatnot. And then it looks like I got the black sparkly pair. And these are very durable, super easy to clean, and they look really, you know, just kind of, they're high end, but they're not too high end. They just look like a real classy shoe, and anyone that's ever got these or that I've got them for has always really enjoyed them and wore the hell out of them. My stepmom actually has a pair of these, and she loves them. Damn, look at that hitting in the light right there. What, bow, bow, bow. Man, so yeah, so these look good. The tissue paper is also embroidered with Alexander McQueen logo, so that is just a nice little extra touch there. Let's get this. And these things are usually pretty cheap too, so if you wanted to get a few different colors, I think you could for $100. Man, dude, that hits. This sparkly stuff does come in different colors as well. So if you wanted red or rainbow, pink, I think there's a purple, possibly a green. The tri-colored one is my favorite, but after seeing this black and it hitting off of these lights, I think it looks really, really good. Hell yeah. Alexander McQueen. This style has actually been around for quite a long time. They kind of just keep adding new materials and different stuff, and changing up the back of it while keeping the same white, smooth leather front. And honestly, I mean, look at it. It has a lot of cushion and a lot of support. So that's what I mean. Like when people wear this thing, it's a pretty comfortable shoe. All right. Last one of the day. Okay, let's go. This one is a Jordan. Still can't get over this one. This one looks cool. These are all pretty. This is a pretty good roundup, to be honest. Pretty good roundup. Got a Jordan 4 EU 45, size 11, white fire red. Which one is this? Oh, well, we just saw one of these on the channel, but looks like we're gonna get another one. Jordan 4 white Oreo. Can't go wrong. Cannot go wrong with this shoe. Absolutely beautiful, and it is all leather. Keep it nice and clean. Wipe it down after you wear it. You're never gonna have a bad time with it. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this one since we did just see one. This box, let's assess the box real quick, see what's all going on. It's a little deformed on this side. Kind of looks like they got a little squeezed. You can see like there's like right there. But overall, the shoes are totally fine, and that is all that matters. Yeah, this thing looks nice. Can't go wrong with the Jordan 4. This one's got a lot of rolled leather on it, but I mean, for the price, really stiff on the back. Yeah, so the Dhgate Jordan 4s didn't used to be this good, but now the Jordans are really, really good. So, and honestly, that's kind of what you're looking at if you just spend like that extra $15 to $20. You're gonna get a way nicer product than just trying to get the absolute budget batch, because when you first dip your toes in, of course, you're trying to do it as cost effective and cheap as possible. And it's good to trial and error things and just figure this stuff out for yourself, because that's how I did it. But I mean, there's kind of a price point for each shoe that you want to find, and usually if you're in the realm of that price point, then you know that you're going to get a really, really good one. I also have tried and true sellers that I always use, as you can see, because I always get the good stuff. And that's what I want to teach you guys how to do. That way you can save money, and of course get the good stuff. So yeah, I'm Jeff Robe. Thanks for tuning in today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be back soon when I got some more stuff for you.